Hello, good PM. I'm Sonia Basilio. I'm 37 years old. I'm from Baguio City, Philippines. I take Bachelor of Science in Management. I have a daughter, 14 years old. I'm single mom. I'm working in Kuwait for 2 years, 2015 to 2017. I take care of the baby, 1-year-old girl and 2 years old boy. I take her food and change the diaper. At the same time, I playing with them. And I do household work, ironing, washing, and clean the house. And then I cook basic Arabic food. After that, I finish my contract. I'm going to the Philippines and I'm applying for Hong Kong for 2 years, 2018 to 2019. I take care of the baby, 1-year-old girl. I change the diaper, took her food, and take a bath and playing with her. At the same time, I do household work like ironing, clean the house, washing the clothes, and cook basic Chinese food. After that, I finish my contract. I'm going to Macau for 2 years, 2020 to 2022. I take care of the baby, 2 years old, 2 years old boy and 4 years old boy. And then I take a bath with them, playing with them, and sent to school. After that, I do household work like marketing, ironing, clean the house, and washing the clothes. And at the same times, I cook basic Chinese food. I have a lot of experience as a nanny. I'm passionate about providing safe and calm environment for children. I am great at multi-taking and I am organized. My priority is to ensure that the children in my care and safety and happy. Thank you.